Joe Beermaster, we have an 18 Jeep Compass. This goes for multiple years and actually multiple models of Jeep. I am going to show you how to change the outer tail light bulb on the quarter panel or change the assembly. They come in both regular incandescent bulbs or LED bulbs. I'm not sure. I think this one's LED. And I'm going to take it apart just to see if it actually is. I do not see a bulb in there, so I believe it is LED. So the first thing you do is open the hatch, and we're going to take off these little grommets. I actually took that grommet off here. Just put a little screwdriver in there and give it a little tug. All right. So if you look in there, you'll see two screws. They are Torx heads. These are T27. All right, so since this is broken, we'll be a little rougher with it. We hit it, we wiggled, and then it came out. You can see these two little pins hold it right here, right there into those grommets there. And this appears to be an LED. Let's see if it's got bulbs. All right, so this is incandescent. We twist that out. You might have to use pliers. There's the bulb. There's another one there. If you need to change it, just pop it out. Easier said than done. And there's little numbers under here on the bulb. You can't see it. You can go to your auto supply house. They'll give you the bulb based upon the numbers, or you tell them what the model car is, what it's for. If it's for the stoplight, it's for the side marker, whatever. They know what it is. If you're changing the whole assembly, you want to just disconnect this here, and there you go. Put it back on, you do it, put the new one on, you do it the same way, or putting it back on after replacing a bulb. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.